Hello, anyone, everyone, if anyone's there. Hi, I'm Michaela. I don't know if I'm online on all of the platforms yet. I'm in a new space. I moved. And so I'm not sure if my internet is strong enough and if this is like actually going really badly. I'm like trying to check the data and like look at it. I think it's going okay. I think Twitch doesn't have the stream yet. But if anyone's like, this is like seriously lagging, please tell me. Because I won't know unless someone says something. Okay. So today we're going to be doing a game. I thought I put the game in the title, but I don't know if it updated or not, so maybe it didn't. But my game is called Catch Me If You Can, and we'll be making it on the CPX today. You're probably like, how you can play a game on the CPX? Isn't that what arcade is for? Sure. Arcade is great, and you should make games on Make It Arcade. But I also thought I could just make my own game on the CPX here. So we can go ahead and get started. So the setup right now is like I have a laptop and then I have a monitor. So like I'm gonna look back and forth. If I'm not giving you enough eye contact, well, I'm sorry. I don't know what to say. Okay. So looking in there now. So I made the game. I called it Meep because it was like 12 o'clock last night. And I was like, I don't know what to call this. Meep. Let's call it Meep. But I'll use the official name. Catch Me You Can Game. Alright. Creating it now. Okay. So essentially this game is kind of based off of another game I saw, but it's not on the CPX. It was on the Adafruit website, and it was using like a ring, NeoPixel ring, and someone had like a button, and they would press the button whenever like the light would hit like a certain point to try and like catch the light, almost be like stop right there, and then like if you like caught the light, then like you would like move to the next level, blah blah blah. And I was like, oh, I can like make a simpler version of it, because like their version was like a little more complex but also still cool. But I was like, I think I can do this like on the CPX in like a simpler way. And I was able to. So what I want to happen, let me turn on the device camera, is so like I'll have the light be going around, and when it gets close to this one right here, like I want to be able to like catch it when I press B. So like if it's like going around and then it's like getting close to here and I press it and it's like on this light, then like I essentially catched it and like I'll move to the next level. And like by moving to the next level, it's like it goes faster until like you can't catch it and you lose. So to get started, I like almost put like not like an intro, but like a cute little like, let's get started. Like you start by pressing A. So I'm gonna use loops. Go to on start, and let's choose light. I think to like know that it's on and ready, let's just like have it show orange, 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 You know what? I probably can do this quicker by using set all pixels to orange. Simplified. There we go. Because I'm not doing anything fancy in the beginning. So I want to start, or like indicate that you want to start when you press A. Because I feel like on like game consoles, like Game Boys, and like I'm trying to think of like other like handheld consoles. It's hard to remember because they don't really exist anymore. I mean, there's like the Switch, but anyways, like usually like when you would start a game, it would be like press A. I think probably even now. So I wanted to like have that same thing essentially. So I'm gonna get this out. I need to add this to one of the conditionals. So I'm gonna go to logic, get the if, put that under there. So move the button A here. So if button A is pressed, that means we're gonna start the game. So let me put in a comment. Press A to start a new game. Okay, I thought that was gonna save by just pressing enter, but it didn't. Okay, close. Great. So I want some way to like indicate that like we're starting. So I'm gonna have a cute little animation happen and then like a power up noise. Okay, so light. Let's go to show animation. Let's go 200 milliseconds. And then get that power up song. Not power up, what the heck? Power up sound. Yeah. Okay. Let me test it. Oh. It wasn't doing anything. I'm pressing A. What's happening? Okay. I'm gonna have that go longer than maybe. That's the problem. Lame. Maybe it's just because I'm not showing the light. Hi, Kristen. Yeah, the CPX is so much fun. I will say when I was like preparing for this stream, I have like multiple cords, you know, to like USB to the whatever this one is called. I can't remember. And like last week, if you weren't there, everything was falling apart because I was trying to use conductive tape, and like the CPXs, like both of them weren't working. I would like hit the reset button and just like stay red, and I was like, so I broke them. But I found like through some tinkering during this week that I did not break my CPXs. I thought I did. I was like, dang it, like I'm gonna have to like order more. But it was just that the cords I was using weren't right. So I like weeded through like 2 of them and I found like one that works out of like the 3 that I had. Okay, so now we have all the orange lights. I traded that one out because I feel like the set all was maybe overriding the if statement maybe in having the animation show. So let's see now. No, it's still not working. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna move this to the forever because maybe that's the problem. It's funny because I made this yesterday and I can't remember it. But I can open up the file, but who wants to cheat? It's not cheating though. It's not like I'm taking a test. Okay, so I moved it over and let's test it. That was it. Don't put it on start. I gotta remember. I gotta remind myself. Okay, I'm way into this a little better. Alright, so now we have like put in some code so that we know like when to start. What am I making? I'm making a game. So I'm making a game where like the lights, I want there to be like a light that like you have to catch, and like you catch it by pressing B, and like it's the light being at like this pixel right here, since it's like right next to the B. I'm wondering if like the stream like just kicked in. I don't know. It's saying I've been on for 10 minutes, but I don't know. I'm in a new place, so we'll see. Okay. So to kind of put in like the game logic, I'm going to use a function. I like using functions. It just like puts things in nice places, and it kind of makes it organized almost. So going into the advanced section, going to functions, let's make a function. Game logic. Okay. That. Sorry, someone was like going across. I have like these 3 windows right here, which are really nice because I see birds all the time. Oh, is it like an arcade game? Yeah, pretty much. But like not the MakeCode arcade where you like see it like on a little console, but it's like just a game you can like a little handheld game almost, like using the CPX. Yeah. Okay, so you want to catch the light at the right spot? Yes. Pretty much. Game logic. Okay. So, thinking about like how to get like one of the lights to move, I'm gonna use the photon that's under the light section. And so I'm gonna first set it at 0. 0 is like up here. Hopefully you can see my cursor. Where like that D8 is, and then it goes from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. That's this one that's next to the ground pin and across from the B. And that's the one that you're gonna wanna like catch the light at. So let's get started. I'm gonna set the pin hue to like a certain color that I want. Love this. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, so we set the pin hue, and we're gonna need to use this block, the move forward by 1, but I'm not gonna put it in there yet because I want it to like keep going around this little ring here, or almost like a track if you want to say. So I'm gonna use loops. Oh, my mic is off? For real? Oh no. What? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Am I being heard? Am I being seen? It's saying my microphone's on. I don't know what's happening. Is YouTube just like, they're like, you know what? We're cutting her audio. She's not talking. No, it's on, yes. Okay, well maybe like this is like streaming on like multiple channels right now. It's like on Periscope, it's on YouTube. So maybe it's acting up between the two. I'm sorry if that's happening. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm like trying to be like tech support for myself. What's happening? Okay, back to the code. Premium plays, continue to let me know that it's not working, or maybe let me know when it is working. That would probably be more helpful. Okay, now like my brain's thinking about the audio not working. yeah, so I'm going to use this while loop so that I just like keep having the photon like go around. So I'll put that in there, and then I'll make sure to add a pause because without the pause it'll just like move faster than I can actually see it. So for right now, I'll put that in for 200 seconds. And so we want to make sure to like add in some logic so that we can know where that photon or like that little guy is. I guess maybe to say little light, where that light is. So I'm going to use a variable that's going to keep track of the position. So I'm going to go to variables, make a variable, position, add it here, and then I'll use it. Oh wait, no, what the heck? Back to variables. I'll use this change block. I'll put that up here so that, you know, both position, not both, but position started at 0 outside of the loop, and then as it keeps going, it's going to add by 1 as the photon like moves forward by 1, so we can like know where it is. And that's going to be really helpful for determining did you catch the light. So I think this loop is pretty much good. And so now we want to move to determining if you caught it or not, or if you're going to go to the next level or you're out and you got to restart. So I'm going to use if else, because there's only like 2 options. Either you caught it or you didn't. So put that under there. So our logic is if the light is at this pin, which is 7, then you know you get to go to the next level. Otherwise, it's you failed. You didn't fail, but you lost. So we're gonna use the variable position, and then I'll go to logic to get the comparison. Okay, so if position, oh, alright, I'll have to do that outside of the if block. So if position is equal to 7, move that in there. Okay, if that's true, then let's like indicate some way that you made it to the next level. And I think I'll just do that with music versus light, because the light could maybe kind of interfere with the photon moving. So I'll use the bidding. And then otherwise, let's use light and sound to let you know that you lost. And I'll just show the ring on red, and I'll play the wah 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 sound. Okay, so there's all of that. Okay, I think at this point we can stop here and test it out. It's important to test out what you're doing. You don't want to like build something completely and then find something that it doesn't work at all, and you're like, where am I supposed to figure out what went wrong? Sometimes building it piece by piece is easier. Okay, so I'm gonna click A. Where's our light? Oh wait. I know what I did wrong. I didn't even call the function. Okay, we need to call game logic so that we can actually kick the game into starting. Okay, see? testing, you know, it leads to finding the problems in your code. Okay, so A. Okay. Did I make it? What? It's not stopping. Okay, stop. So the game isn't stopping. Oh, and I know why it's not stopping, because we haven't set a reason for this loop to break. Because right now it's just on true, and it's because it's true, it's just going to keep going until, you know, that condition is false. But this condition here is simply just true. So we need to go to input and take out this block here and change it to, well, button B is pressed right now, but that's not correct. So we need to add a not to it to make that the opposite. So it says essentially like, while button B is not pressed, then keep doing what's in the loop. So go to the logic, go into the not. Let me take that out, put it in. Here we go. So while button B is pressed, it's not pressed, and then we're gonna do that, and then that. Okay, I think I've debugged enough. The small things always trip me up. Okay. A. Okay. But I got it. Let's see. What? Why isn't it equal to 7? Well, if we want to check what position is saying, then we can display it to the console. Great stream. Oh, thank you. This is all an organic process. Nothing here is fabricated. This is all me having things going wrong. Pretty much. Okay. So I'm going to print whatever the position is on the console, so I can know what number it's picking up when I'm getting the wah wah wah. Okay, start. Oh wait, I got that one. What? Did it like fix itself when I added one thing? Okay, let me go around. Okay, it's getting 17. Oh, I know why it's getting 17, because it goes all the way around once, and then it actually like registers that. Then like the position's like continuing to go. Okay, I think every time I was clicking it, it was like right when it was starting, and that's why I was getting 7. So we're gonna need to do some math. All right, people, get your pen and paper out. We gotta figure out how to not make sure, but like how we can either continue to like say that it's going all the way around from 0 to 9, or even as it adds up, we can do some kind of operation so that we get 7, not 17. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it goes 0, 9, 10, 19. So, what do I want to do? Let me think about this. Choose position by 1, position by 1. Okay, this is what I'm thinking. So I'm going to use a modulus, I think that's what it's called. It's like essentially like when you're doing division, right? You're like, let's say, and hopefully, I don't know how everybody's age here. If you haven't learned division, go ahead and go out there and go learn some division. It's a great time. So if you're doing like 9 divided by 7, you'll get like 1 remainder 2. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. There's like a giant grasshopper on my window. And like that's like what you kind of get. But if you do like 9 mod 7, like 9 mod 7, that would be 2, because like modulus like will give you whatever the remainder is. So I'm thinking what I'll do is like when I check the condition here to know like if it's at position 7, I'm gonna say like if position mod 10 is equal to 7, then play that sound, because each time it goes around it's going to go between 0 and 9, and even goes like all the way around once. 7 mod 10 is going to be 7, and if it's 17 mod 10, it's still going to be 7. Yeah, okay, hopefully hopefully MakeCode has the mod in here. If not, let's see. I'll maybe just write it in JavaScript. Because that could work out too. Yes, they got the remainder. All right. Shout out to the MakeCode developers. Thank you. Okay, so here we go. I'll take this out. So we want to get the remainder of position divided by 10, as I was saying. Okay. What's wrong? What's the problem? Okay. Cool. It was like, no, forget it. There's no problem. Don't worry. Okay. Position divided by 10 equals 7. All right. I think this is gonna work. I'm feeling really proud of myself right now, using my CS degree, my math skills. All right, hit A. Okay, you know that works then. Let go all the way around. Yes. Oh, I feel so good. Okay, I'll have it go 3 times. 2. Yes! We did it! Okay. Whew. Problem solving, so much fun. At least to me. I get a rush no adrenaline. Okay. So we have the logic pretty much working. I should probably test like the fail case as well. Okay, and then I'll test it when it goes all the way around. Alright, it's working. So now we need to like incorporate like levels and like things getting harder and more challenging. So I think I'm going to do that by having the photon move faster. And how we need to do that is using this pause here. Because the pause, obviously incorporates like how much time is in between the photon moving between, moving. That's all I have to say. So I'm going to use, oh my gosh, darn it. I'm going to have parameters, that's the word. Parameters for the function. So like whenever you call the function, you need to put in a number. So I'm going to edit the function, add a number parameter. Let's just, I'm going to call it speed. Or maybe pause. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm gonna use this by putting it here so that like the pause is always dependent on whatever the value of speed is, and to like have the photon like move faster after you like you catch it correctly. I'm gonna call game logic, and I'm gonna multiply speed by like 0.8, I think. So that's like getting smaller gradually. So I'm gonna use times here. Nope, here. Speed times 0.8. I found like 0.5 is like way too fast. Like doing it like gradually like by 0.8 is like enough to like at least do like, for me, I think I was able to only do like 3 levels essentially. Okay, and then when we initially call a game logic, we need to make sure to have that be 200, because that's what level 1 is, the pause. Okay, this function is looking good, nice and stacked. Okay, we can take out this block because we don't need to use that console anymore. Oof. I'm like, ugh, we got math going, we got console statements, some nice debugging in here. This is a good stream. I'm very happy after all the failures of the last 2 streams. This is good. Okay. Let's go. So press an A. What happened? Why did it move so fast or move so far away? Okay, wait. No, that was a mistake. I'm gonna turn off the sound so that it doesn't get too annoying. Huh. Why is it doing that? That's weird. No. I thought I knew what was happening and I was like, wait, no, I don't. Okay. Let me see here. So what we're seeing is that the light is jumping back to 0. And so I feel like that's because like when we call it, it's like playing the sound into it immediately. That I am confusion. Okay, problem solving, here we go. I think maybe we'll put this block in here. Maybe to make sure that the sound plays before we call it again. Okay, let's see. Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm sorry, I got like too involved. When things are going right, I got too involved, I thought. I was like, yeah, here we go. Next level. Okay. I didn't have enough time to even reflect on like if it was working. I was just like, all right, here we go. Okay. I think it was working. Ah, shoot. Okay. Okay, I gotta let it like actually run for a while. I was telling you people it's addictive. Oh, darn it. I keep messing up. Okay. And it goes all the way around. Okay. Okay, sorry. I'm really like so distracted by playing this game. Okay, so I think I'm gonna. What am I thinking here? Because I like kind of don't like how it like jumps back to 0, but that's like essentially like how you start. Let me see here. Because I may like low key go look at my other game. Me like, so how did I do it? How did I do it last night? Because it was working and it was a little different. I didn't have to use the remainder. You know what? We got the time. Let's check out how Michaela from yesterday did this. So, let me save this. And I'll download. And then I'll go to home. Let's go to the Meep game. Okay. So, let's check out what Michaela yesterday did. So, okay. It's pretty much the same. We set Meep to 0. Okay, Meep is like position. I'm telling you, that was being ridiculous. Okay, set the position to Meep. Play video. Put the pen down. Okay, I'm gonna play this one. Let's see. Let me like let it go all the way around to see if I have that same bug. Yep, I have the same bug in here. Well, I need to use the remainder instead. Okay, sorry. Once again, got too involved. Okay. So let me go back. Go back to the Catch Me If You Can. So I think the only difference is that like I had the green lights to let you know like you're gonna go to the next level. And I think I like that effect. Versus just like having the sound. So oh no. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna move. Ugh. Okay. I'm gonna put the sound after the light because I think it should still play, and then I'll just set these all to green. Hello, Melly Loco. What's up? I'm like on the phone. Like, what's up? What you doing? Thanks for joining. I'm making a game. Where you like catch a light at a certain place. And you catch it by pressing a button. I'm gonna test it right now. Okay. I'm pressing A, start. Okay. Darn it. Shoot. Okay. I'm gonna like play it like. Okay. Oh, darn. Okay. Alright, I'm stopping. I really speak Spanish. Alright. Let's go. Okay. I think I'm gonna like not like increase the speed, but like have it multiplied by the speed multiplied by a smaller fraction, because like I almost want it to move like the little levels to get harder faster. That's probably like not a good idea. It'll probably be harder than I thought to do it. Okay. Alright. No. Okay, I need a... Okay. Well, we know that it works. So let's put it on the actual CPX. Okay, maybe you should change this back to 0.8. Yeah, because I want to actually be able to play for like a level or two. Okay, yeah, I think we're ready. So what we need to do is first plug this in. Yep. Yay! We got the green ring, meaning that it's ready to upload some code. So I don't know for the translator. Is it? I'm sorry, I'm like pondering on what Melly Loco said. I'm like, is it translating for you, or are you saying that you can translate? I don't know. Let me know which one it is. If you could translate, or YouTube is translating it over me or for you. I don't know. Okay. So you can't see it, but I'm in my File Explorer on my Windows laptop, and I'm dragging and dropping the code. All right. Are we ready to play this, y'all? Okay. I'm gonna be over here playing the game. Okay, so press A. No, wait. Why isn't this working? Okay, wait. Reset. Let me check. Let me check that. I downloaded. No, I did download the right version. What? Okay. Wait, reset again. Why isn't it? Hello? Okay, so now you register them, pressing the button. Okay. You have to like hit it. You gotta hit it, gotta hard, or you gotta have to hit it a little hard. Darn it. You don't have to say it so loud. Okay, so through testing it, I see that you have to like kind of press the button pretty hard for it to like know that you actually are doing it. I'm trying to see if I can change that. Threshold. Ooh. Could we change the threshold so it's like lower, so I don't have to like press it as hard. Okay, I don't know what the threshold is currently. I should probably figure that out. Alright, I'll take that out. You got 15 minutes left on this. Wow, this stream has been so much smoother than the other ones. And I'm like, wow, I got a lot of time. Okay. Let's see here. Oh no, it's not even in here. Dang. We can't even change it. Alright. I guess I just gotta live with me having to like really press that button B a lot harder. Okay, I'm gonna play this again. Okay. No. Okay. Alright. Okay. Ugh. I was on a roll. Y'all saw me, I was on a roll. Wow. Okay, that was fun. Okay. I guess that's pretty much it. That's the game. I will, since I have time, I'll share a link to this project. Okay, control this. All right. Oh, okay. Oh, so it's out there. All right. Yeah. Start like modifying this project. You know, maybe change the sounds, change the colors, add some other level of complexity to like the levels. Like, I want to see people like remix this and like make it their own, make it cooler than mine, beat me, and be like, hey, I made it to 9 levels, you made it to like 4 or 5, because that like can move really fast. But yeah, thank you to the people who are watching this live. I love when people watch this live and comment. It's nice to like have some like interaction. But if you're watching this not live, check out my live stream. I'm live on 3 p.m. Pacific time on Fridays, and then convert as you need to for other times. I'm Michaela. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I think, okay, yeah, there goes my handle. I don't tweet that often. I don't Instagram that often as much as I should. But I'm gonna get better. If I see more follows, I'll say things. I'll put things out. Okay, guys, have a good rest of your day. And go out there and make something. All right, bye, guys.